Okay, so I'm going to find a spot on the wall that goes through the center diamond on the wall. So in other words, I'm going straight off from the center of this pocket and using running English to get the 8-ball. And there we go. 8-ball went in, okay? Try it one more time. I'm going to try it in a different area now just to show you how this works. Alright, so now I'm going to try it in the center of the table somewhere. Say it was blocked. So I can go to the same spot on the wall with running English. Still make the cup, you know, the 8-ball. Made the shot, alright? Okay, now I'm going to try the 8-ball on the other side of the pool table. Same idea, only I'm going to find a spot on the wall through the center diamond on this side of the pool table. With running English, I'm going to aim to that diamond and to that spot that I see. And running topspin. And it goes in. Now I'm going to try it again, only this time I'm going to move the ball, the cue ball, somewhere else, anywhere. Something like this. So it's not the same line, so you don't shoot the same exact area. I wouldn't be shooting for the center diamond any longer. Now I'm going to be shooting for that spot on the wall. That's why it's so important to get the spot on the wall. Assuming that's out of the way, I just want to show you. So I'm aiming for that same spot. Now, it's important I get this spot. With running English. Bam. Alright. And there it is. It's a pretty good system.